Right, so welcome back. This time we're going to try a different circuit and different program, different exercise, and we are going to go for the digital read serial. And in this case, it's about reading if a switch, basically a press button, has been pressed or not. So we click on the digital read serial here in the Arduino tutorial, and we can see that we need a board, a switch, a 10K resistor, some wires, and a breadboard. So we have the breadboard and we have all the other components on the table. So what we're going to do is first build the circuit on the board.
First we've got the switch, then we've got the 10K resistor, now we connect it to the Arduino board.
Here again we have a little mistake. First complete the circuit here before I go into the Arduino board.
Okay.
So let's go to the ground, so it's the blue line. And the other one goes on this side from the pin of the button to the plus. Yeah. Then we need to connect these two to the plus and the minus, so the plus to the 5 volt and the minus to the ground. Yeah, and then what's next?
Then you've got to
The output of the button, and no, you got it wrong. Yeah, and that goes to pin number 2. Here it is. You can see it here. There. So we can see it's connected, that's connected to the plus. After the button is connected directly to the plus on one side, it's connected on the other side to the resistor, the 10K resistor, which is then connected to the ground. And then on the other side is connected to the pin number 2. These we don't need because nothing is connected here. So remember, the golden rule is to always be lazy. So the least you can do, the better it is. The more we can use that already exists, the better it is. Laziness is a key element of good programming. So we have completed the circuit. It's connected to the Arduino board. Next we need to connect the Arduino board to the computer. And then we need to open the file, which is the example of BASIC. In this case it's digital serial read, and because we haven't changed anything to the software, we can directly upload it.
board.
But we've been using the same board since the beginning, so it should be right. A big copy. Doesn't pay. Trying to teach you something, this is what I get. Thank you. Right, it's all uploaded. So because we are reading a digital input and printing the results in the serial monitor, what do we need to open?
Open the serial monitor.
Yeah. So we click there and we can see that at the moment there's a series of zeros coming up. So what we're going to do is, if you press on the button and hold it down, you can see it changes to 1. Release the finger and it goes back to zeros. Press again, it goes to 1. So what does this do is basically, if the push button is not pressed, the output into the serial monitor is 0, and if the button is pressed, the output to the serial monitor is
1.
Thank you. And that's the end of this little exercise. Thank you.